Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this LED candle I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm taking my Posca paint markers and I am drawing on a snowman face. I did some teardrop shapes for the eyes with the black marker, as well as the mouth. Once that's dry, so I don't smudge that paint, I am drawing on the carrot nose with the orange. And the nose and the eyes, I gave 2 coats. I then used Barely Pink acrylic paint, and that's by Folk Art, and a stencil brush, and just dabbed on some rosy cheeks. And then I'm taking this really small paintbrush. It's an acrylic nail paintbrush that I got from Amazon, and drawing on some lines inside the eyes, and then using the back end of that to dot the rosy cheeks. I used the back end of a paintbrush to make some dots in either eye, and that's just white acrylic paint. And then I'm using a similar paintbrush that I had used for those lines and doing black acrylic paint for some eyebrows as well as some eyelashes. Once that's completely dry, I just take this black and white fabric and I cut a strip of it and wrap that around towards the bottom for the scarf and trim up those pieces. And then to keep it into place where I want it, I just add a small dot of hot glue. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.